For problem numbers 1 and 2, we're going to convert each angle in degrees to radians. Leave your answer in terms of pi. So to convert to radians, just go ahead and multiply by 1 pi over 180. And 20 degrees goes into 180 degrees. 2 goes into 18 9 times. So 20 goes into 180 9 times. So we get pi over 9. Pi over 9. Again, now 20 degrees is not one of our main angles around the unit circle that we know and understand the difference between radians and degrees. We can make the easy conversion. Negative 300, if we go around here, that's negative 270, and negative 300 is right there. So that angle in radians, since 300 degrees is 5 pi over 3, negative 300 would be negative 5 pi over 3. And I'll go ahead and do numbers 3 and 4 here as well. Convert to degrees. Again, negative 5 pi over 4, that's one of our well-known angles. If we count by pi over 4s, every 45 degrees is a pi over 4. We're going to go in the negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since 5 pi over 4 is 225 degrees, negative 5 pi over 4 would be negative 225 degrees. If you multiplied by 180 over pi, you would get negative 225 degrees. 7 pi over 3, we're going to go in the positive direction. We're just going to count by pi over 3s. Remember, it takes 3 pi over 3s to get over here to pi. So we have 1/3 pi, 2/3 pi, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, and 6/3. And then 7/3 would be right there. So it's one more third. Or if you go around the circle 360 degrees, 60 more degrees would be 420 degrees. So 360 plus 60 is 420 degrees. And again, if you multiplied by 180 over pi, you'd get 180 degrees over pi. The pi's would cancel. 3 goes into 180 60 times, and 7 times 60 is 420. So however you want to do it is fine. Number 1 is the only one where you actually have to multiply. The other ones, numbers 2, 3, and 4, you can go ahead and just look on your unit circle and make the conversion that way using the well-known angles.